Hello, Reynaldo. For your new IEP goals, I'm going to introduce them to you. So this is IEP goal number 1. And it says, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Reynaldo will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb and change the sentence verbally to state the verb's past tense. So this is going to be your assignment for today. Past tense verb. Number 1. Today the girl will bake. Yesterday, what did she do yesterday? So your word here is bake. Today the girl will bake. Yesterday the girl baked with ED. So you're going to work on number 2, 3, 4, 5 by yourself, and then you can send me a picture. Remember, all the words ending in ED are talking about past tense. And I'm going to give you an anchor chart as well. So for your goal number 2, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts after making an inference about a grade level text, Reynaldo will underline the pieces of a text that gave clues to the inference. So, gave clues to the inferences. So let's move on to your worksheet number 1 on your new IEP packet. So let's start reading. Every day after work, Paul took his muddy boots off on the steps of the front porch. Alice would have a fit if the boots made it so far as the welcome mat. Then he took off his dusty overalls and threw them into a plastic garbage bag. Alice left a new garbage bag tied to the porch railing for him every morning. On his way to the house, he dropped the garbage bag off at the washing machine and went straight upstairs to the shower as he was instructed. He would eat dinner with her after he was presentable, as Alice often said. So you're allowed to read this 2 to 3 times, and we are only answering question 1. You do not need to answer question 2 or question 3. Or 2 or 3. It's only question 1. From here, we are going to underline clues. So it says, what type of job does Paul do? So we already know he has muddy boots and dusty overalls. And he needs to throw them into a plastic garbage bag. So where can Paul work? What does he do if he has muddy boots and dusty overalls? So here your turn is to inference where does he work and highlight as much clues as possible. You're going to do the same thing for the other short stories here on the paper. And then you're going to grade them for your final IEP grade.